I bet you didn't know that some deer actually bark like dogs. Stick around to meet some truly unique creatures. First up, we have the lowland streaked tenrec from Madagascar. This little guy uses its striped quills to make sound and chat with its buddies. Imagine talking through your hair. Now that's what I call spiky communication. Next, the muntjac deer, or as I like to call it, the barking deer. Found in Asia, this deer lets out a loud bark to warn of danger. Picture a deer that thinks it's a guard dog. Pretty wild, right? Lastly, meet the pink river dolphin from the Amazon River. Its blush-worthy skin color comes from blood vessels close to the surface. Known for being smart and playful, this dolphin is pretty much the life of the Amazon party. Want to explore more incredible animals? Hit that subscribe button for more amazing facts.